Hey guys and welcome back. Today we'll be playing Don't Press the Button 4. And we are playing with Jay. So shout out to Jay. He doesn't have a channel, but if he did, do check him out. What number am I? Oh, 11. Blimey. Oi, does that mean I'm dead? Did I lose? Ah! Let me get this. Yay! I did it just before I dropped. There, I got a coin. Is it an obby? Okay, you guys know me. I hate obbies. I literally hate obbies. You're absolutely kidding. I hope you die. Because, there's Poke fan. Hey, huh. But there's no way I'll reach that. I'm at the bottom, probably. No. 2 rounds, 2 rounds. Wait, what? You done 2 rounds, and you got 105 coins. Then, what are these? Owners. So many people. Oh my gosh, are dressed up like that. I don't like that. Okay, I fell right out of the lobby. I hope I win. I've clicked it 70 times. 94? Oh my gosh, I must be so close. Oh. No, you're absolute joking. Are all these just obbies? Did Jay choose the wrong server? Because I hate obbies. Seriously, I'm terrible at anything that's parkour. My best luck is to jump right over the lava. I suck at obbies. Maybe I'm going too fast, but is it just me? Or are these obbies meant... Well, are these don't press the buttons obbies? Okay. No! Oh my gosh, I ran out of stupid time. This guy is just annoying. I lived! Just. I'm so lucky. I nearly fell off. Did I actually live that? Oh my. Yes! I'm so happy. Watch out. Oh! He just blew himself apart. I'm just gonna run. Your best tactic is just to keep jumping. No! Oh my gosh. I feel like I might be next. Yes! No! I don't know which one's gonna be last. Which pad. Oh! No! I'm alive! Just me and this other person, we're just jumping for live. Yay! I won! That was so much fun. I love doing that. What? Oh. Can't they do trust jumps? Oh my gosh, I hate it. I hate hard heads. They just knock me out of their way. And it's so annoying. Oh my gosh, there's better things you could be doing than to get over to the VIP. How's that guy VIP? No. Button presser. He's annoying. I hate people who press that button because they're so annoying. It's parkour. Oh no. What? I was right. Oh my gosh. I hate this badly. I really hate the server. Look, I'm doing. Okay, I'm just gonna do it like that. Yeah, this is boring. Oh, here's the annoying VIP who just thinks he's the best. He doesn't actually do any. What? Jeez, it said watch out, and just me and Jay are just like. The money's just gonna turn out to be a bomb or something. Yep, the money died. People who took the money died. Do you see? Someone died right there. Oh my gosh. I just given up on this. Or maybe actually, oh my gosh. If I win, I'm actually getting good at this. Yay! No, come on, Jay! No! Oh, that's so sad. Oh my gosh, are we gonna get? Is it just gonna disappear? Please disappear. Oh my gosh. Ah, no, I'm scared. Just hide. I'm just like, is a beat? That got close. Like, too close, people. Okay, you can't tell where the next lightning strike is going to be. Oh. Oh, it targets people. Yeah, I get this. I get this so badly now. Just keep moving. Just keep moving. Like Dory. Dory goes, just keep swimming. Instead, just keep running. See, it tries and targets you. And don't keep in a straight line. And don't stay by other people. I played this, well, something similar to this before. Hi, how you doing, bro? What's up? Hey! I was just like there, lightning. And I lived. Such a tragic end. Oh! I never... How did the cars have death blocks on them? There's a game called Smashy Road, and it's basically like this. Just run with other people. Oh my gosh, this is so simple. I didn't stop running. What's wrong with these weird junk bots? They're actually junk. Oh, okay. I thought it was going to be another one of those lasers. Okay, give me outfit. It's another ball. I think I've had none of those. I'm sitting on the edge now. No, again! Oh my gosh, there's more nuts this time though. What? What sort of race is this? I came second, but I'm a lot faster than that in real life. Oh, you going there? I'm just gonna head here. Okay, you can't. Jay, just keep jumping! Jump! Oh my gosh, get the key. How is that person going so far? To be fair, I'm actually doing that by myself. put it. Oh my gosh, no. There was a bomb. I didn't even see it. Oh, it's just like Minecraft when you try and fall. Like, literally, dude, this is Minecraft. And they've copied this. You just have to try and not touch anything. It's simple. Oh, that's the bottom. Okay. Hey, what's up? Sup? This is nice and slime. It's like you taking a potion of ever falling and you just fall down. Yes, I refer to this as Minecraft because it's like it's gonna be that. Are you kidding? What? Oh, Bacon found it. Sorry if you're Bacon Man, but I won't take any of my money actually. I don't really want them. I'm clicking. This again. We just had this. Oh my gosh, I'm so bored of this. How's that person falling so nicely? I mean fast. I want to be... No, Jay, I'm beating you. Okay, I came second. Ha, I beat you. No! Why do people always take my money? I'm the one doing the YouTube video here. So if this is getting boring, let's wait for the next challenge. Okay, we find the button. Let's go. Where's the button? Okay. Person last time found it over here. Yes! If you ever do this, it's right behind that rock. Where are we? I suppose these people know where they're going. And I've done this before. Oh my gosh, this is simple. Oh, okay, so it doesn't let you do that. Oh, nice. It doesn't let you zoom out. I just literally tried to do it. The guy's got like, there's invisible wall above us. I'm just saying. I'm just exploring. Okay, so that's not a way. Just always keep running and you may find it. Actually, it didn't even save wherever anyone won. What are you doing? You're gonna get strike. Is that person dead? Oh my gosh, that person is dead. Funny way to die. Someone was on the button. The lightning targets people. Your only hope is to just keep running. Jeez, it nearly got me. See, that person's dead. Hi. Hi, how you doing? I want this person to get struck. Nearly. He's about to die. Where's the lasers? What? Seriously? That was actually impossible. No one lived. Okay. Jay! It said watch out. I hate that button person for killing my friend. I feel like if you had the button and you died, you'd have blown me. Spleef. Oh no. I've heard of this. If you just run in a straight line and then at the end you go turn this way, it will always work. See? I hope I win. I love this round. It means you get 0 money because everybody takes it. Seriously, I do not like this game. I was pushed off. I made it. Okay, well done. Well done, Jay. Don't know when he said that. But yeah. Who is that person? Oh my god. This is just impossible. Oh, you start over there. That makes sense. Dude, there's no point. There's no point going over that stupid rope once you've died. It just gives you nothing. Ha, I got your money, poke, ban, whatever. What top? Oh, there's clouds? I don't even know where the first one is. Oh, you're joking. That makes so much sense. Okay, so on this one, you get a double jump. I just jump onto any cloud that's possible. Like that one. This one. Okay, I'll just waver. No! Oh, come on. I was just about to get it. Ew. Ew. The button's brown. Oh, yeah. That wasn't cheating. Why? They're just taking it. Oh, this is so not fair. Cheat! I absolutely hate cheats. Hey, he's a cheat as well. I'm not joking. I call people that are cheats people who actually have flying carpets. Because look, it doesn't even show you can get them by Robux. So that's hacking. But I won't say. There's no point. Yeah, I came first. No, I didn't. I like being back to normal speed. I was trying to get the coin. And then I got spawned in. They should make you spawn in. Oh, okay. Hey, how's that person cheat? That person is such a cheat. They're not even near the laser. Like my friend Jay over here, he's jumping. I'm about to say, if that person won, I would kill them. Feed the giant. Oh no. No, guys, this is a trick. As soon as you're in his mouth. I'm gonna watch him. Seriously. Fine. I want to see what's happened. I think it's a trick. Oh. Yeah, it was a trick, but I was just on his arm. It me. Yeah, I said blue's lucky. Oh, wait, no. Green's lucky. Green's lucky colours. So you climb up the green. And you go, yoy! Oh, I was trying to knock him down. Nope. I'm not your food. Oh, yeah. That so sucks. I just wanted to see. That person is always getting the button. Yes. Was that me? Where's my statue? What? How? Oh, it's this one. Nice. But I totally pressed the button. You guys saw me. What? I just jumped through a cloud. I actually give up on this stupid cloud thing. It's useless. Like, what do you gain from it? You gain wasting time. There is no top. And then it just lets you fall and probably die. Because the end is like... Can't even see the laser. It could have showed that where the lasers were coming from. Oh my gosh. This game is so annoying. And I hate that person who's just using a stupid glitch. I've only clicked it 4. Okay, this game is kind of useless because now I can't click the button. Literally, I'm tapping on it. Oh yeah, I'm tapping on the button. It's not working. Who won? Watch out for snowballs. I can't even make one. Oh, they come from the sky. Got it. I'm so clever. Nobody else was even watching the sky. And I just see also flying people. I'm like, wow. Stop jumping! Jumping won't help. See? I was the only one who never died. Oh, who said that? Oh my gosh. I'm so useless. I didn't even see its stupid balls. No. It's a 20-minute video so far. Shall I stop it? I think so. It's like, I think my friend Jay, he's left. Yeah, guys, Jay's left, so I think I'll leave. It's like the end of the video. I made it easy. I'm a VIP. He's a VIP. Okay, I'm gonna end it in a nice way. Oh, he's back. Okay. But anyhow, I hope you enjoyed today's video. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the notifications button. Thanks for watching. Bye, guys.